Hey friends, if you wish to activate a Microsoft 365 product key, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Click on File, select Info, okay, and check the status here. You can go to Account and then make sure that it is activated. Okay, if it's not activated, it will mention it explicitly. So these are the two places where we check the activation. And other than this, you can click on this license option. If it's not activated, you can click on this license option. So basically the activation for Microsoft Office products is associated with your account. Make sure you logged into the right account and it will be activated. If not, just restart the application and it will get activated. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.